Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can fix Steam Cloud Sync error. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and let's begin. So first of all, open up your Steam application on your PC and simply log in with your account. Now go over to Steam application settings. You can access it by clicking on the Steam tab at the upper left corner and select settings from there. The Steam settings will pop up in front of you. In here, go over to Cloud section from the left side menu and tick mark the first statement. Remember, if it is already marked, then leave it as it is and close it. Then open library of your account and here go over to properties of the game that is showing the error, and then select and check if the download settings are correct. Now just again go into the settings of your Steam settings, but this time select Downloads tab. Now select the Steam library folder and then click on these three dots menu on the left side and select Repair folder. And you are done. Hopefully your problem will be solved. So that's how you can fix your Steam Cloud Sync error. So that's all for today's video guys. Hope you liked the video. I will meet you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.